In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location on Fresha presented in this full 2025 guide. Whether you're relocating your business or simply updating your address details, I'll take you through each step carefully to ensure you can make these changes easily and efficiently. Let's get started. First, you need to access your Fresha Partner account. Navigate to the Fresha Partners website where you'll be prompted to log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready before you start. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. From your dashboard, look for the online booking section. It's typically found on the side or top navigation bar depending on the layout. Click on this option to proceed. This will lead you to the area where you can manage your business's online settings and profile. Next, direct your attention to your business profile. On this page, spot the option button, usually represented by 3 dots or a settings icon, and give it a click. This button will provide you with several edit options for your business settings. Among these options, you'll see Edit Profile. Click on this button to open the profile editing interface. This is the section where you can make changes to your business details, including your location. Continue by clicking on Continue. This will guide you through the steps to verify that you wish to make changes to your business profile. Fresha includes this step to ensure that changes aren't made by accident, so it's an extra bit of security for your business details. Once you continue through the verification, you will be taken to different sections where you need to click Continue once more. It's important to proceed with patience, as each step confirms that you're intentionally editing your business profile. Now, enter your new location in the designated field. It's important to ensure that the location details are correct as they will be displayed to your clients. Double check the address for accuracy, including any suite numbers or floor details that might be essential. Finally, after entering all the necessary information, locate the Save and Exit button. Clicking Save and Exit will ensure that your changes are recorded permanently. This action completes the process and updates your location for your clients and anyone looking to visit your business through the Fresha platform. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your location on Fresha. I hope you found this guide helpful and that updating your business information has been a smooth process. Don't forget to revisit this guide anytime you need to make further changes. Thank you for watching and have a great day.